This dessert is from my childhood, and to this day it is probably my brother's favorite dessert ever. Or at least one of many. It's an easy pudding cake and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Here we go. For the pudding, you need first sugar, flour, cacao, and a bit of milk that we'll need here. The recipe is of course in the description below. Give this a good mix with a whisk to get any clumps out. Meanwhile, you can get the rest of the milk onto the heat to get that to a boil. I'm usually impatient and the chocolatey mix is usually added before it starts to boil, but you know what I mean. It is usually very, very hot. And now you gotta keep stirring to avoid the pudding from sticking to the bottom and burning the whole deal. We don't want anything burned, do we? Once the pudding gets thicker, turn the heat off and occasionally stir it so that no skin forms on the top. Lay out the cookies of your choice and start layering. Always enough pudding to cover the cookies and move on. And the beauty of this is that you can combine it in every way you want it, as long as the cookie is not glazed with chocolate or anything else. What I mean is you can reverse it. Not a vanilla cookie, take a chocolate cookie, but make the pudding vanilla. Just add 1 tablespoon more flour to balance out the cacao and that's it. Or you could use like these full grain cookies. They're a bit heavier, so you might want to have your pudding a bit more liquid because it takes more fluids in. You get the gist. Try it out, or even make a zebra, like chocolate, vanilla, but the cacao, but the pudding is cacao. Why not? Give it a shot. Then all you need to do is wait.
6.5 hours later.
When the pudding had enough time to soften the cookies, you get yourself a great soft cake like this that you can decorate and enhance however you like. I like me some shredded coconut, for example. My aunts used to make this recipe for the horde of children that wanted something sweet. Good times. I have many cousins. Do you have a nostalgic and easy recipe? Let us know in the comments below. By the way, we have a Patreon now. Just letting you know. If you want to support, perfect. If not, But I really ask of you to subscribe, like and comment if you have the time and like what I'm doing here. It's much appreciated. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.